drop the top and roll straight. SMVCC 805 is the go state. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than the BIG, BAD13C. I got love for the place that raised me, even though times get a little crazy. So I gotta give love back, either gangbang, slang, or pull a motherfucking jack. It's all good, cause I'm dropping nice cars. Pretty soon 25 to life spent behind bars. A ruthless lifestyle, cause I'm a son of a gun. I'm only 19, but will I live to see 21? A local motherfucker, so you better step back. Try to pull a jack, I'll feed you bullets for a fucking snack. Pero ahorita que up on the land, they're coming from T-Track, por vida loco sureño.
Two blokes smashing deep in my city. One time acting up just because I'm rolling clean in a Chevy. Dark skin